Thank you so much for joining me on this video, on this journey, and helping others through just holding space for them. Just know that you are awesome. You are so confident in what you do, and you are so caring and nurturing to others. So thank you for your gifts. Thank you for joining me on this journey as we explore the body together. The endocrine system. It controls your body's hormones and secretions. Hormone centers include pituitary, pineal, hypothalamus, parathyroid, thyroid, thymus, adrenal, pancreas, kidneys, in males' testes, in females' ovaries. And while a woman's pregnant, her placenta. Hormones are created in the glands, and they're secreted through the circulatory system. Most of your hormones are created in your pituitary gland. Your pineal gland promotes melatonin, so your pituitary helps you sleep. So the parathyroid is growth, development, body function, and mood. And it also regulates your calcium. Your thyroid uses iodine in the food to make hormones. So if your thyroid's low, you may have signs of eczema, outbreaks on your skin, just like I do. I suffer. My body has eczema. It's not a suffering. It's not anything. You'll realize that the more you work with bodies, it's not a suffer. It's what you're actually given. So you take what you're given and you make the best out of it. And you learn what it is to actually live in the vessel that you were given. Makes sense, right? So I've had eczema my whole entire life. And when I was pregnant with my last daughter, I actually was going through like one of the worst eczema outbreaks I've ever had. And that I was actually the heaviest I had ever been as well. And I could not stop the ulcers. It goes from atopic dermatitis to just these explosions of ulcers that just continue to go. And I was tested and found out that my thyroid was low functioning. And that just happens during pregnancy. So I started doing iodine and all the things. And when I got back to the doctor a couple days later or whatever, no, like a week later, to get my next test, I was normal. And my eczema outbreak had stopped. So I know that all of that stuff is connected together. Thymus. It makes the hormones that help the T cells, which are your white blood cells or part of your white blood cells. It helps them mature and function. So having a healthy, strong, balanced thymus, it helps you stay strong with your immune system and can help heal all those things. So your thymus and your thyroid work together to balance out, in my case, eczema. Your adrenals. They are located on top of your kidneys. You have two because you have two kidneys. They make your hormones that control your body's functions, such as your metabolism, your heart rate, blood pressure, and the actual salt to water ratio in your body. So that's actually amazing that your adrenal glands, that's one of their jobs. Like, the body is freaking amazing, you guys. It makes a small amount of your sex hormones. So if your kidneys or your adrenals are off, you could have some reproduction type of hormonal dysfunction. So yeah, getting those checked would be amazing. So your adrenals make a small amount of your sex hormones. They do make a little bit of estrogen, and they do make testosterone.